All right, the next skill we have for you guys is the step over hook. This is working off of our hook kick from level 2. Let's see what it looks like first. All right, so to start this one off, the first thing that we're gonna do is gonna be our spin hook kick, okay? We're gonna start facing opposite our target, and we're gonna look over our kicking foot and shoulder in order to see where our target is at. From there, we're gonna turn our body, open up our chest and our hips as we do our hook kick through that target. And from here, the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna actually add the step into our hook. So we're gonna start facing towards our target. We're gonna use the step to hit that backside stance where we're now seeing where our target is over our shoulder, lift our foot, and connect with that hook kick. And then the final step here, guys, is just going to be taking that step and creating what we would call an air step. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna bring that foot over from one side to the next, and before it touches the ground, that's when we're gonna do our hop switch, where we switch our feet, start to open up our hips, and let that kick come all the way out. So you can see here, guys, as he's doing this, he's going nice and slow with his step over or his air step so that he knows where he is before he does his jump, his hop switch, his turn, and lets his kick out, okay? So take it one step at a time here, add in each of those factors, each of those layers, until we come out with the final product. And this is a really good skill that you can throw into a number of combos using a lot of the skills that we taught you guys in level 1 and level 2. Let's go ahead and see a combo with our step over hook kick and a master scoop. All right, and one more, let's do this time a step over hook to a cartwheel. And that's our step over hook kick.